So today we are going to discuss about front office equipment. In this chapter, in this PPT, we are going to discuss about front office department. Also, we are going to discuss about the manual equipments of front office as well as mechanical equipments of front office. Now let's go to the next slide. Here we are going to discuss about the front office equipment, bell desk equipment, concierge and lobby. First of all, through this PPT, wanted to know this is the area of front office staff. Here, in this behind this desk, front office staff standing over there, and here this is the guest who is doing check-in and check-out, right? So this is the front office department, right? This is the second picture, which is again the front office department, where guests can in the lobby area where guests can sit comfortably, and in the reception area guests can do the check-in and check out. In the information area, if guests wanted to get any information related to hotel, related to maybe outside the hotel, in the through that concierge department, through that information desk, guests can get information also, like in the lobby area you will find the bell desk section. Bell desk section is responsible for like handling guest luggage at the time of guest arrival, and at the time of departure bellboy are handling guest luggage from room to lobby area, right? This is the picture of lobby. In the lobby area you will find the reception, you will find the bell desk section, you will find the concierge section. Yes, you will find the reservation, but that section is not visible to guests. It is in the back area, right? Now here we are going to discuss the few front office equipments. Now, this is the picture of room rack. Room rack is basically most important, equipment of front office department. It is basically a metal file pocket, and it is designed like this so that you can hold the rack slips. In the rack slips you can fill the guest information as well as room status information. Room status information means and like number of guests are staying in that particular room, name of the guest. You can mention the persons, number of persons staying in that in that particular room. So in that room status information you can fill all the guest details as well as room details over there. This is the old rack system. Now, this is like the old rack system look like this. This is again the picture of old rack. But nowadays this concept has gone. We are using the PMS. It's a property management system. Through that system we are having all information related to room as well as related to guest also. Just you need to click one button, then you will get automatically all information related to room and guest. Now we are going to next slide. Again we are going to discuss about the room rack. This is basically normally into front desk counter. This room rack you will find in the front desk counter, which is basically mounted below or behind the front desk, where key slots are added to room rack. It is basically a combination of room rack and key rack where you can store the room keys also. But nowadays this system is vanished. Reason being because we are for the like room keys we are using the magnetic strips kind of room keys. So for that we want one box where you can keep all the keys. Whenever guests will going to come in the hotel and he is going to check in the hotel, you will take one key card and you will swipe that key card and you need to mention the room number. Then that key card will be for that particular room only. Like this kind of room rack is totally vanished from from 5-star hotels. The room rack contain a summary of information about the current status of rooms in the hotel. Room slips or some hotels, the guest registration card itself can be inserted into the room rack. In the guest registration card, or you can say reg card or guest registration card, where the all information related to guests like guest name, date of arrival, date of departure, time of arrival, time of departure, number of people, room rate, type of room, all the information contains in the guest registration card that can be inserted in the room rack so that it will display the guest data and room number, room rate. In one glance, room rack should be immediately inform the front desk of the occupancy and the housekeeping status of all room, whether the room is vacant, occupied, clean or dirty. Right? Vacant means when there is no guest in the room. Occupied means when room is occupied. Clean, the room is clean, and dirty means room is dirty, need to clean that room. The room rack also contain information about type of room features and the room rate. You can say room tariff also. Let's move to the next slide. Now we are going to discuss about the mail, message and key rack. This you can see the picture of this key rack where all that arrays are there where you can place the keys over there. But again this concept has vanished from the 5-star hotel. A key rack is an array of numbered compartment used to store guest room keys, right, where you can store the guest room keys. Earlier also I have told you, nowadays we are not using the hard key, we are using the keys like metallic. We are not using metallic keys, we are using the key which is related to card system. In that there will be a coding system, just you need to swipe that key automatically and you need to mention that guest room number. That key will be issued to that guest for particular time, right, when guest will till guest departure. Again, email message key rack. Key rack is previously times used to be visible to individual both behind in the front of the desk. Today's key racks are often placed in the front desk drawer for the safety and security of guests. Key and mail rack, mail storing rack, mail forwarding file, duplicating key rack. These are the few the equipments we are used in the front desk, but nowadays we are not using this kind of things. To minimize the number of racks in the front desk, hotel may combine the key rack, either room rack or the mail or message rack, where you can store guest mail and messages, as well as you can store the room rack information. Basically it is a combination of mail, message, key rack, can be either a freestanding wall unit or under the counter row of compartment. But nowadays we are using like your rack, your mail and message rack, your room rack we are using. It is basically a combination where you can store the keys, where you can store the mail and messages which is related to guests. You can store the room information in that particular rack, right? Now we are going to discuss about the reservation rack. This is maintained by the reservation section, which is again the part of front office department, but it is not visible to guests. Through that reservation, section, we can take the reservation for we can take the guest reservation for future, right? It can be we can take the reservation through the telephone, we can take the reservation through the mail, hotel website. But in this at the time of reservation, most of the time guest is not present in the hotel, right? This is basically a rack which store the reservation rack slip or printed registration card for anticipated arrival. If guest is doing any reservation, we need to fill the reservation form and we will place in the reservation rack. And when guests will arrive in the hotel, before the guest arriving, we will fill the half registration card also with the help of reservation information, right? Front office use both two types of reservation rack. One is the advanced reservation rack and second one is the current reservation rack. If the reservation is maybe for today or tomorrow, then we need to maintain the reservation record in the current reservation rack. If reservation is for advanced reservation, then we need to maintain in the advanced reservation rack. Let's move to the next slide. In an advanced reservation rack or slip, registration card are arranged guest schedule date of arrival. According to guest date of arrival, we are arranging the reservation rack slip and we are storing the reservation slips alphabetically or maybe by the guest names or maybe by the group names. If the reservation is for group is basically where the people of number of people are more than one, that is called group, right? Now we will discuss about the current reservation rack. It is basically portable subset of advanced reservation rack. Early morning, each morning, the reservation rack slip or registration card for that day expected arrival are loaded into current reservation rack and that is taken by the front desk department. So we are preparing the expected arrival and expected departures list according to the current reservation rack. Now let's move to the next slide, that is information rack. Information rack is basically for in-house guests. In-house guests are those guests who are staying with us, that is maintained alphabetically order or maybe by the surname or by the room number, right? In this you will find the guest information, like maybe ABC guest is staying in which room. All the information you can find it through that information rack, right? Information rack is basically commonly used to assist front office employees with proper routing of telephone calls, mail messages, visitor inquiry. If anyone wanted to talk to XYZ guest who is staying in maybe 201 room number, so you should have all the information कौन सा guest कौन से room में stay कर रहा है, so that you can directly transfer the call to that particular guest room number, right? Now we will move to the next slide, that is folio trays. Folio trays is, first of all, wanted to tell you what is folio. Folio is basically where you can store the where all the transactions between guests and hotels are mentioned, that is mentioned in the folio. And whatever guest is consuming in XYZ hotel on credit basis, you need to mention in the guest folio. So that the all the folio should be placed in particular tray, so whenever guest is going to departure from the hotel, so it will be easy for you to take the guest folio, and you can prepare the guest bill, right? Now let's move to the next slide, that is account posting machine. Account posting machine is basically where you can post the guest accounts detail. You can post the balance charges and whatever the credit he has taken it, guest has taken it from the hotel, you can post it into guest account or guest folios, right? Now let's move to the next slide, that is voucher rack, or we are going to discuss about the cash register also. The voucher rack is basically for storing the vouchers according to room number wise for for future reference and verification during the night audit, as well as when guest is going to departure from the hotel, maybe he will be requiring vouchers, he will be requiring the bills also. You need to place all the vouchers in the voucher rack so that night auditor can do the night auditing properly, as well as if guests were in the bill, maybe there will be any description in the guest bill so that you can show that voucher to the guest. Now cash register, if guest has done the payment to the cash, maybe in the restaurant or bar, or maybe in any point of sale, so you need to maintain the cash register also, cash register also. Let's move to the next slide, that is telephone equipment. It is call accounting system. Basically it is the device, it is linked to telephone system that identifies each phone number dialed from guest room telephones. It is basically that is EPABX, it's electronic private automated branch exchange. Through that through that equipment, whatever call has been done by the guest from his new room number, that call that call will be recorded, not call will be recorded, guest ने किधर कॉल करी, कितनी देर के लिए कॉल करी, that information will be recorded in through that EPBX, and accordingly your bill will be prepared. If guests wanted any wake up call services through that EPABX, you can provide the wake up call services. If guests wanted to transfer his call from maybe you can transfer the multiple calls, you can pick up the multiple calls, you can make the guest you can post the bill into the guest folio through that EPABX. Let's move to the next slide. Automatically you can you can provide the wake up call through that to this equipment. You can make it possible to transmit or receive full page document to that fax also. Fax is also attached with this software. You can call deduction equipment has ability to pinpoint the exact moment when a telephone call is connected to that EPBX. You can do the multiple task, right? Now let's move to the next slide, that is your fax. First of all, wanted to tell you the full form of fax. It's facsimile automated Xerox, right? Fax, this is most important equipment of front office department that fax is basically a written document, and for the fax you will be requiring the telephone. It is attached with the telephone, and by through that equipment, you can electronically scanning and transmitting the document through the telephone line. It is basically return document. You can pass the information return, right? Now let's move to the next slide. That is most important equipment of front office department, that is your credit card imprinter. Basically credit card imprinter, it is very much important. It is basically a device that make a carbon copy imprints of customer credit card on a charge slip of the bank. It is when POS, point of sale machine, is not available. This is the picture of credit card imprinter. Just you need to swipe that card, automatically all the card related information will be in the system, and two copies will come if you're doing the payment through the credit card. One will be the merchant copy, second one will be the customer copy. You need to keep the merchant copy with yourself for the, so that you can send that merchant copy to that particular bank, right? Now then let's move to the next slide. This is timestamp machine. Folio mail and other front office paperwork are inserted into a timestamp device to record the current time and date. This recording can be very important for any establishment, for any events, right? Now let's move to the next slide. This is CCTV. CCTV full form is closed circuit television. And this is very much important equipment of front office as well as security. So that whatever, like you can through that CCTV, front office and security personnel to monitor the certain area or crucial area of hotel from a central location, right? Now let's move to the next device, next slide. And the next slide is based on wake up call device. This is usually specifically designed clock with multiple alarms setting to remind front desk agent or telephone operator to place wake up call services for guests. If guests ask for request for wake up call services through that device, you can place the wake up call request to that particular room. A wake up call long keep beside the clock. It basically inform the agents or operator which room number are to be called at what time he require the wake up call services, right? Let's move to the next slide. This is called self-registration and self-checkout terminals. This concept is a very new concept, and that is followed by the budgeted hotel, where they do not wanted to hire the staff a lot. This is basically fully automated fully automated system. Through that, guests can do the self registration. He can do the self checkout also with the help of these terminals. These terminals is basically in the front desk, or sometimes you will find in the airport also. It is basically it can be free them to attend to other hotel duties which can enhance guest services. Let's move to the next slide. This is franking machines. This is the picture Franking machine is basically a stamp, but you can do the 100, more than 100 stamps of envelope quickly and effectively by printing the correct amount of postage required. And you can do the weightage also, weight and size of envelope also. Basically franking machine record the total of stamps issued, right? Now let's move to the next slide. Photocopy machine, this is the most important equipment of front office. Whenever guests come for the check-in purpose, we need to take the guest, the identity proof. And at the time of check-in we need to take the guest identity proof, so that we can do the photocopy, and we can give that identity proof to that guest only. Okay, this is most important, important equipment of front office. It produce the exact copy of document, right? Let's move to the next slide. I wanted to now we there are questions for practices. First of all, we have discussed the importance of equipment in front office department, and we have explained the manual equipment of front office, as well as we have elaborated the mechanical equipment of front office department. These are the references. You can refer these books: Jata Shankar Tiwari Hotel, a training manual by Sudhir Andrews. If you are having any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me.